Hello, how are you students? Akkam jirtu barattoota nagaa keessanii iddoo jirtanitti nageenyi waaqayyo hunduma keessaniif haa ta'u. Har'a types of climate in Africa mata duree jedhuun gaaffilee baay'ee barbaachisoo fi miidii keessaniidhaaf isin qopheessuu danda'an gaaffii 16 isiniif qabadhee dhufeera. Isinis ana waliin akka qayyabattaniidhaaf gamanumaan isin affeera. እንደምናችሁ ተማሪዎች ሰላም ናችሁ? ባላችሁበት የጌታ ሰላም ይብዛላችሁ። ዛሬ በአዲስ ርዕስ ታይፕስ ኦፍ ክላይሜት ኢን አፍሪካ በሚለው ለሚድ ፈተና የሚያዘጋጃችሁ 16 ጥያቄ ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁኝ። እናንተም ከኔ ጋር እንድታጠኑ ከወዲሁ ጋብዛችኋለሁ። 2.21 types and the characteristics of climate in Africa. Choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. Question number 1. Which climate zone is known for having high temperature and heavy rainfall year-round, supporting dense rainforest vegetation? A. Sahel. B. Mediterranean. C. Equatorial or tropical rainforest. D. Desert. Question number 2. Which African climate zone experiences a distinct wet and dry season with large grassland and scattered trees? A. Desert. B. Tropical savanna. C. Mediterranean. D. Highland. ወረቀት xiqqoo isin cinaa jirtu irratti deebii keessan qabachuu hin dagatinaa. ተማሪዎች ካጠገባችሁ ባለችው ትንሿ ወረቀት ላይ መልሳችሁን መያዝ አትዘናጉ። Good. Question number 1. The correct answer is equatorial or tropical rainforest. Here, the equatorial climate zone is characterized by consistently high temperature and abundant rainfall throughout the year, which supports dense tropical rainforests such as those found in the Congo Basin. So the correct answer is C. Question number 2. Which African climate zone experiences a distinct wet and dry season with large grasslands and scattered trees? This is known as tropical wet and dry region or tropical savanna, which is distinctively known with having less than 1000 millimeter amount of rainfall. So the correct answer is B. The tropical savanna climate is characterized by a distinct wet and dry season due to the seasonal movements of the ITCZ. It is dominated by grasslands with scattered trees and also is commonly found in regions like the Serengeti in East Africa. Question number 3. In which part of Africa is a Mediterranean climate primarily found? A. Central Africa. B. Northern and southern coastal regions. C. Eastern Africa. D. Western Africa. Question number 4. Which of the following best describes the impact of African highland climate on temperature? A. High temperature year-round regardless of altitude. B. Cooler temperatures with increased altitude. C. Warmer temperatures in coastal highlands. D. Uniform temperatures throughout the year. barattoota deebii keessan qabattanii መልሳችሁን ይዛችኋል? በጣም ጥሩ። The correct answer for question number 3 is B. Mediterranean climate is primarily found in northern and the southern coastal regions of Africa. Here, the Mediterranean climate in Africa are found in the northern coastal regions, including Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, and in southern hemisphere, it includes regions like that of Cape Town in South Africa. These areas experience mid-wet winters and hot, dry summers. Question number 4. Which of the following best describes the impact of Africa's highland climate on temperature? African highland temperatures are known with cooler temperatures with increased altitude. So the correct answer is B. Here, the effect is seen in regions like Ethiopia, highlands, and mountain Kilimanjaro. As altitude increases, temperature decreases while I am saying that it is cooler. Question number 5. The Sahara and the Namib are part of which African climate zone? A. Equatorial, B. Desert, C. Tropical savanna, D. Sahel. Question number 6. Which zone serves as a transition between the Sahara Desert and the tropical savanna, characterized by low and variable rainfall? A. Sahel, B. Highland, C. Desert, D. Humid subtropical. Question number 7. Where are you most likely to find cooler temperatures due to elevation with vegetation ranging from forests to alpine grasslands? A. Tropical savanna, B. Highland mountain, C. Equatorial, D. Mediterranean. Okay, the correct answer for question number 5 is Namib and the Sahara are confined to desert, so they are found in desert region. The correct answer is B. Question number 6. Which zone serve as a transitional zone between the Sahara Desert and the tropical savanna? The correct answer is Sahel region. Sahel serves as a transitional zone between Sahara and tropical savanna. Sahel gammoojjii Saharaa fi tropical wet and dry naannoo savanaa gidduutti argama jechuudha. Question number 7. Where are you most likely to find cooler temperatures due to elevation? Sababa taa'umsi lafaa ol ka'aa deemuun tempereechara qabbanaa'aa iddoo itti argitu naannoo kamii jedha. So, highland or mountain regions. The correct answer is B. As altitude increases, the temperature decreases, and vice versa. Question number 8. Which climate zone in Africa is mainly found in South Africa with humid summers and mid-winters? A. Humid subtropical, B. Tropical savanna, C. Sahel, D. Desert. Question number 9. Which climate zone is vulnerable to desertification and commonly experiences short wet seasons followed by long dry seasons? A. Highland, B. Sahel, C. Equatorial, D. Mediterranean. Question number 10. Which of the following type of vegetation is typically in the desert climate zone? A. Dense forests, B. Grasslands, C. Scattered shrubs and hardy plants, D. Olive trees and evergreen shrubs. Question number 11. The Congo Basin is most associated with which climate zone? A. Sahel, B. Desert, C. Equatorial tropical rainforest, D. Mediterranean. Okay, the answer for question number 8 is A. Humid subtropical. This is found in parts of South Africa, which is characterized by warm, humid summers and mid-dry winters. Question number 9. Which climate zone is vulnerable to desertification and commonly experiences short wet seasons followed by long dry seasons? Is the Sahel region. Sahel region is semi-arid zone which is found in south of Sahara deserts. This is prone to desertification due to overgrazing and limited rainfall. It has short wet followed by extended dry periods. Question number 10. Which of the following type of vegetation is typically in the desert climate zone? A. Dense forests. B. Grasslands. C. Scattered shrubs and hardy plants. D. Olive trees and evergreen shrubs. Vegetation which are found in desert region are distinctively scattered shrubs and hardy plants which have the resistance capacity of dry climate in desert. So the correct answer is C. Here, desert vegetation includes scattered shrubs like that of succulents and hardy plants adapted to survive in arid conditions with minimal water. Keessa isaaniitti bishaan yeroo dheeraadhaaf qabatanii kuufatanii jiraachuu kan danda'antu ናኖ gammoojjiitti argama። በበረሃማ አካባቢ የሚገኙ እጽዋቶች በውስጣቸው እርጥበትን ለረጅም ጊዜ መያዝ የሚችሉ ናቸው። These are succulents. Question number 10. The Congo Basin is mostly associated with which climate zone? Is equatorial or tropical rainforest region? So the correct answer is C. Number 12. In Köppen classification, which climate type is represented by letter A? A. Polar. B. Tropical. C. Arid. D. Temperate. Question number 13. Which climatic region in the Köppen classification system is characterized by letter B and low annual rainfall? A. Tropical. B. Arid. C. Temperate. D. Polar. Question number 14. Which Köppen climate classification represents a humid subtropical climate? A. Capital C, small f, small a. B. Capital D, small f, small b. C. Capital A, small f. D. Capital E, capital T. Question number 15. In the Köppen system, what does the letter E represent? A. Arid climate. B. Polar climate. C. Temperate climate. D. Tropical climate. Question number 16. Which climate type is represented by A capital F small in the Köppen system? A. Tropical savanna. B. Tropical rainforest. C. Desert. D. Tundra. Barattoota, qormaata keessan miidiidhaa fi sirriitti yoo naannoo har'a viidiyoon kun isiniif hojjetame dubbistan qabxii boonsaa akka argattan shakkiin qabu። ተማሪዎች ይህ ቪዲዮ ከወጣባችሁ አካባቢዎች በደንብ ካነበባችሁ ለሚድ ፈተናችሁ ከፍተኛ ነጥብ እንደምታስመዘግቡ ጥርጥር የለኝም። ጋፊ ኩለ ለመፋዳፍ ዴቢን ኬሰኒ ይሰከን ለ12ኛ ጥያቄ መልሳችሁ የትኛው ነው? In a Köppen classification, which climate is represented by letter A? Letter A denotes tropical climate in Köppen climate classification. So the correct answer is B. Question number 13. Which climate type in Köppen classification system is characterized by letter B and low annual rainfall? Letter B is arid or dry climate. Question number 14. Which Köppen climate classification represents a humid subtropical climate? Capital C, small f, small a denotes the humid subtropical climate. A is the correct answer. Question number 15. In the Köppen system, what does letter E represent? Letter E represents polar climate, subcategorized into E capital, T capital, tundra, and E capital, F capital, perennial. Question number 16. Which climate type is represented by A capital, small f in the Köppen system? This is known as tropical rainforest region. So the correct answer is B.
Chaanaalii keessan Geolesson 17 Tube waan daawwattaniif galatooma. Geolesson 17 Tube chaanaalachuun sila gobanyaachuu አመሰግናለሁ። Geolesson 17 Tube chaanaalii milkoomina egeree dhalootaaf dhimmu